Hello friends, this is Saksham Gupta, a AAA undergraduate of BITS Pilani. And friends, in today's video, we will discuss about that what is royalty income. In order to understand that what is royalty income, we already know that it is a passive income, but to get its better understanding of that what it actually is and to have a better understanding of basically, let us keep it simple. I have an example and I'll tell it to you, I'll share it with you so that you can have a visualization basically how does royalty income works. See, royalty income is just like you have planted a seed, now you are watering it for some time, you are putting in manure or whatever. I don't know whether manure is put into it, let's leave it, but you are putting your heart and soul into that the process of the germination of the seed so that tomorrow it will become a tree. Now after some time when it starts to become a tree, it doesn't requires you. Like when it becomes a tree, it does not require you anymore, it does not require you for any kind of protection or any kind of you don't need to water it again and again, but now it will keep on giving you fruit and shade for lot many years to come. Basically what has happened that the tree says that okay, I am now self-sufficient, I can grow on my own and I will keep on providing you till a lot very much time, till then now you can start with any other tree, I am there for your support. So this is basically how royalty income works. Now this was just an example. Now let us try to understand it in a layman language. Basically royalty income is nothing else but it's just a simple work which you have performed either with your intellect, with your money, with your energy or whatever, which has a lasting value. Like once you have put in the hard work, you don't need to put in any more hard work now. It's just opposite of the contemporary idea or the traditional idea of jobs, you know. Like you go and you perform work for some time and then you get paid on the for the hourly work or for the amount of work you have done calculated by time. This is like you have invested your time and your energy once. Now it has become self-sufficient. Now it will keep on giving you income for a lot time to come, and by this you can focus on other issues so that you can basically step into the path of financial freedom. Like job, what do you get in job? You get financial security, but here from royalty income you are stepping into the path of financial freedom where you don't need to work for money. Basically your money is working for you, money, energy or your intellect which you once invested. So now moving ahead with the video, and now we will be discussing that what are the various avenues in which you can work so that they might start giving you royalty income in the future. So friends, let's get started. Friends, moving to our first point, or basically the first avenue, it is of becoming an author. Now you will say that what section, why are you talking boring stuff like don't want to become authors. Of course you might, it's up to you that whether you want to become or not, but friends, take my word just that I want to tell you that please have a broader idea of what authors are doing today. Are they those old school authors which used to be earlier, like which you feel boring? Actually they aren't boring, but it's just a myth created out of that. But friends, try to understand that in the today's times, it's the process of getting your book listed is a lot much simpler. You don't need to go to the traditional publishers and beg in front of them that please publish my book, and then also they will give you just a 5% royalty income. Today the times have changed. What do I mean by the times have changed is that today if you have written a book, then it's a very easier task to get it listed on Amazon. Okay, and Amazon is such a awesome tool that it is giving it gives you royalty income to 70% of what the actual selling price is listed of that book on Amazon. Obviously how to publish it is a different ball game altogether, but at least you know that this avenue exists. And believe me, the ones who have got their book listed and are good in advertising, they are earning humongous amount of money that you cannot even think in the wildest of your dreams. Now the question arises that what can you write? Of course friends, see, obviously you have to give them value, isn't it? We are not cheating with anybody, and if you are true to your work, then only you will be earning something. But when it's not that tough, anything which you like if you are into fashion industry, if you like food, if you are passionate about healthy lifestyle or anything, any competitive exam, then you can read a few books which are successful. And what you can also do, like you can also share your point of views and your experiences, personal experiences, so that that book becomes valuable. Now if that happens, you can learn marketing also. But friends, this is a great game. Okay, so you try to play it, at least try to be acquainted with the rules, then decide that whether you want to play or not to play. The second comes out to be of YouTube videos. Now, let me try to make you understand that how does income from YouTube works. Now, friends, there are many sources, many ways by which you earn from YouTube. First is that sponsors will directly come to you and they'll give you money for advertising, but that does not count under royalty income. Why does that not count under royalty income? Because you are getting paid only when you have published the video. But AdSense, which runs on YouTube, that is a royalty income. What do I mean by that? Like whenever you see a video, suppose you have seen a Zomato ad. Now what happens is the Zomato pays YouTube some amount of money. To why does it pay some amount of money? So that YouTube plays that ad on my video. Now what happens, friends? So, let us assume that the cost of that Zomato ad is 1 rupee. Now YouTube will pay me 55% of that amount which Zomato has paid it to me as a royalty income. That is 55 paisa will be awarded to me, 45 paisa will be kept by YouTube. So even after many years, if somebody plays my video and an ad get displayed on it, then also YouTube is going to provide me with the royalty income. So this is the benefit of making YouTube videos. Moving ahead, like if you know that if you know any particular skill, like if you're good in anything, then you might have seen Udemy courses, isn't it? They are paid courses. So the professionals create those courses and then they keep on getting the royalty income till a much later time, as whenever a new student buys that course of theirs, then again they are paid a royalty income. So making Udemy courses is also a great thing. Moving ahead, like organically ranking websites. What do I mean by organically ranking websites? See friends, this is a very important topic and a beautiful topic, and I am thinking to create a video on it. Please tell me that whether you want me to create. And friends, first of all, subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing many videos of this sort. And friends, this is just not for my benefit. Of course, I will be benefited. But friends, think for a moment. Even what type of videos I am bringing, these are all basically the modern ideas. So I believe that getting acquainted with the modern ideas is the ultimate necessity of the time of the youths. So I am getting educated and I am getting my channel and I am getting support of yours, so that's obviously my benefit, but you are also getting your benefit. So friends, it's a win-win situation. So please subscribe to my channel if you find it useful. Yeah, so where were we? We were on creating on getting organically ranking websites. Like if you've created a website, let it be of affiliate marketing, like you are listing the products of Amazon and you're giving reviews and people are clicking through it, like you know the process of affiliate, isn't it? So whenever a person clicks on this, and it was an organically ranking website, you have made it, you have worked SEO very well. So now whenever a person clicks on that and buy the product, you are getting the royalty from Amazon of commission. But now you don't have to work on it ever again, isn't it? Your website is ranking and you are getting the royalty income. So that's also a very crazy way to earn this. Moving ahead, what do we have, friends? Stock images. Like a lot of websites are there where you can give your images, and if anybody downloads it, then also you are paid a royalty income. Moving ahead, friends, what you can do is that, of course, I don't know how many of you would be able to do it, but I need to tell you this, that investing in real estate and getting that income from tenants is also again a royalty income sort of thing. And the last of all, the patents, like whatever you have created, the licensee will always pay you a royalty for whatever you want to earn from him, as you are a licensor of your patent. So these are a few ways by which you can earn, friends, a royalty income. So I hope that if that this video was of great help to you and you got to learn something new. And friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will keep on bringing many videos of this sort. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.